area for small dogs. No, no, no. Come on. You guys are big dogs. He's stuck on the first bush, dude. Bailando. What is up, YouTube, and welcome to another Cribs on Excursion. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more. By the end of the night, welcome to another Cribs on Excursion. We brought Da Fruit and Da Rat both to the dog park this time. I believe this is their first time together, as well as their first time inside this dog park. There he goes. This is his first time here. We're gonna have to eventually find Milo, cause okay, I guess we have to wait for him. Settle down, Da Rat. Come on, come on. Calm down, Da Rat. That is gold. Is that your best friend? That was too funny. Ooh. The rat meets a corgi? What? It looks like a Ruger. It's okay, the rat. It's okay, the rat. It's okay, the rat. Hello. Look at this one's face. Yeah, smell the fruit. Oh no. Oh, look at your clumsy ears. Look at your little clumsy ears. What the hell was that? Don't do that again. I know you want to. Just has to get the tip wet. There he is. Are you a guy or a girl? That fruit, man. This bitch likes getting scratched. Surrounded by a bunch of dogs. What are you growling at, the rat? Look at this. Oh. Keep yapping. Oh, he likes the bell. No! Milo! Get off! Hey! Oh, the big Roddy. That's the big Roddy, that rat. Look at hers. I don't know if there's a guy or a girl. Oh, you're so big. Is that a guy? Oh, it's a chick. It's a chick going in on a chick. That's very interesting. What do you want, dude? What is this? Oh my gosh. You are weird looking. Dude, you look like my eggs. Look at your ears. Very interesting. You are very interesting. Is it a guy? Nope, it's a girl. Smell that one. Okay, do not be scared. Do not be scared. What? It's like it's a dragon. Look at this. This thing is weird. Oh, you like being stretched. Go. Go, right. Come on, Toren. Not you, the rat. What up, dog?
Hey, that's a full breed, huh? That's a full breed chihuahua.
Yeah, it's a little apple head.
Pick me up.
It's a guy.
That's a boy.
Yeah, it's a guy. Look, they want to touch you. They want to touch you.
Hi.
He's like 10. Oh yeah? He better come back. Calm down, dude. Hello, little doggy. What breed is that one?
Boston Terrier?
Boston Terrier?
Mixed, though.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
With what?
I don't know.
Like toddler? Oh, okay.
This a boy?
Yeah, that's a guy.
Is it neuter?
No, he's just like 12 or something.
Oh.
He's old. Why, is yours neutered? No?
See, every time he sees a female, he's just trying to...
Oh, he's trying to rape.
Yeah.
That's how he is, too. But he tries to rape everything. Guys, girls. Later's Ace.
That one doesn't hurt.
Nah. Calm down, Toren. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you tired? Mm-hmm. Get in there. There he goes. I think it's a guy. Oh, he's trying to rape. What's up, dog? Oh, look, he wants to ride. Look at this dude. It's too late. Trees and the treats. What happened? All your valuables, Crypto. Your most precious items. What did you do? There it is. Enjoy this vacuum sealed treat. Come on. This way. Oh. Hey, hey. Crypto. After some good paw wax. Wait. Wait. I think I know what Crypto wants. Does Crypto want to go run? Sit, Milo. Sit down. Milo. Good. Now, speak. High five. Is that a new boner? He's jumping over his old. Is that a new bone? These are probably his favorite type of bone. What's a boner? Watch his jealous ass. Oh my. You want your other boner? What's up, dog? They just honk at him. Oh, he's leaving. What? He just pretty much sleeps all day. Wait, sit down. Oh, no. Was that the egg? Mm-hmm. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat at KZ_production.